guys, and welcome to this brand new episode. This is video number 1 of 3. Yeah, we missed the last video for last week, and sorry guys, I was just in between a lot of things. But quickly today we're going to be looking into a new project like I promised last week, which is the notpixel Telegram mini application. Yeah, today we're going to be breaking down this project. We'll look at what it's all about, what they are trying to do, and then we're going to be reviewing if it's going to be worth it at the end of the day. And then we'll look into when they are going to be dropping or launching their Airdrop. So stay with me guys, don't go anywhere. But before we dive into it, if you are not subscribed to these channels, please guys, smash the subscribe button. Join this community. We have lots of videos for you to enjoy on this channel. Now guys, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright guys, let's take a look at how this notpixel activity works. So we have this big canvas here with different images that we need to put the pixels into place to form what the images actually looks like. If you look very closely to this canvas, this big canvas, you will see different logos, including the Ton logo, the Okex logo, Telegram logo, we even have the Binance logo, Coinbase, Dogs, and Bybit. Different logos right here on this canvas, and you can zoom in and zoom out of this canvas. And what activity are they expecting you to carry out right here on this page? What they need you to do is to paint out each of the images on this canvas by putting in place each pixels on these images. If you zoom in on the biggest one here, you will see it contains a whole lot of things, and all you need to do is to zoom in into them and then paint the right color at each places. But as you can see, there are so many community members painting at the same time, so you are not the only one on this page at a time. So right now you could see that there are some colors, there are some pixels that are not actually the right color of the item here, which is the dog, right? Where they're supposed to be yellow, we have some community members painting blue, painting black, green, and so many other things. And one of the best ways to actually maximize your painting point is to actually replace the wrong pixel that people has actually placed on that particular item. So let me do one of those now so we can move quickly into other things. So for instance, let's select this black and see if we'll be fast enough to paint on it. Paint on this. You can see I just got 9.5 points for painting the right color on this particular spot. So that is the activity, and that is how you can actually maximize much more points on notpixel. They also have many other things on this page. Let's go through them quickly. Ratings, the rating page, your profile, your squad, templates, and history. If we check the ratings, you see different people with different amounts of points. Like we already have people on 323.9 thousand points. Now that's a massive amount. So that will tell you that people are spending a whole lot of time on this game. So if you check your profile, you see different things: the pixel color, the number of pixels you've colored, the number of pixels you've mined, and your leaderboard place. And you could see that I only have 907 points so far, and that is really small. If you check your squad, you can see the number of people you've okay, your squad is the mini group on the notpixel. So I think they have a mini group on the notpixel where you can actually join and join a squad or leave a squad depending on what you want. There are so many other squad. I'm trying to see all those squads. Let's see. You can also invite people to that squad, but yeah, let me not take our time with these. You see, there are so many squad there that you could actually join. So moving on, if you check templates, you see if there are new templates here, and you can as well invite friends to join notpixel. So guys, if you have not yet joined this amazing game that I believe is an interesting game, check in the description below. You'll find a link to join notpixel. So guys, join my squad, join my group, and let's have fun. So what else is here? If you check the history page, you will see that I've gotten 9.5 points for correcting a particular pixel, and then you could see that paint reward boosted. Okay, I've boosted my reward as well. There are ways you can actually boost the amount of rewards you are getting on each page. And so it's a straightforward game. It's a straightforward game. And on this claim page, they have so many things. Let's zoom out from this canvas so we can go through each pages. Here you can actually buy color spots, 3x3 color spots. That is probably bigger. You'll be able to paint bigger spots. Okay, let's see this TNT dynamite. You get 5x5 blasts. You get pixels. You can buy that for 128 stars. And then let's see, instant restore charges for painting. So this will help restore the number of times you can paint per hour. If you want to buy more, you can buy that for 64 stars. And this will help you zoom in, and this will help you zoom out. What do we have here? It's a fast mode. Okay, so those are different items here. What else do we have here? Let's see, templates, catalog. And if you click on the point, you see your balance, the number of points that you have per time on notpixel. And you could also do various activities here to increase the number of points that you get. You do different activities here or tasks. You can also boost your painting reward. You can recharge. You can increase your recharge speed. You can also increase your energy limit using this boost here. So let me claim this. I think each time you come in per day, you get to claim this point and add it to your pixel point. Let's click on this star and see what we have here. This is a shop. It's more like a shop. So guys, there are many ways you could actually boost your notpixel point, and one of it is to carry out the activities they already have for us on their page. For instance, I just boosted my point from 900 something, like you got it, to 1419 pixel points. And what did I do? I joined the jet turn game. As you can see, I joined it and then I got my reward. I will try that again and see. Let's do another activity. Okay, I'm looking for an easier activity. Invite. Okay, I would love to invite. Guys, don't forget to check the description below. Use my referral link to join the notpixel and join my squad. Let's win together. So if you are able to do that, I'll also get a bonus point by inviting up to 64 friends. So guys, it's very straightforward. If you're on Telegram Premium, you are going to get 512 points, and if you have been able to reach the Gold League bonus, you get 32 pixel points. So like I said, there are so many activities here that could actually win you a lot of points. If we go back and see, are there other things here for us to see? Okay, you can also see the number of friends you've invited, and I think that's about it. That's about it. It's straightforward. It's an easy game to play, and they have straightforward Telegram mini application. So quickly, let's go through their Twitter page, or X page as you may like to call it. Okay, so guys, this is their Twitter page, and they have about 536,000 followers. They also have series of tweets which are also very engaging, and I think the highlight of this particular page is that Ton blockchain is actually following them, as you can see here. So I think that is a massive one, guys. It's not all games that are on Ton blockchain that Ton is actually following. So there's also a rumor that this game is being built by those guys behind Notcoin. I don't know how true that is, but if you remember, I think Ton blockchain is also following Notcoin on the X. So that is a point to highlight here, that they might actually be onto something massive, guys. They might be onto something majorly massive. They've not yet announced when they are going to be launching their airdrop. We don't know yet, but guys, I will implore you to join what they are doing here, and let's see what they have for us. They do not have any website. They do not have any link for me to check what they have down the line after their airdrop. While that is not something that I am so big on, because I want these games to actually offer us something that is sustainable after launching their airdrop, because majority of these games are not sustainable. As we have seen over the months, they are not sustainable. So I'm reaching out to the notpixel team. If they by any chance find this video, they should please launch a website, put on something there to actually sustain this community over time. Well, that's that about their Twitter page. And guys, if you've been able to watch this video till this minute, thumbs up to you. Smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible. Also smash that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. We have amazing videos for you to go through. And at the same time, smash that notification bell so you could be the first person to see our videos each time we post a video on YouTube. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will be seeing you in the next episode, which is supposed to be the video number 2 of 3 for this week. Big up yourself, big up your damn selves. I will be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.